Good morning students. In previous class we have learned about the cleanliness of the checkout room, check-in rooms and occupied rooms. Now we will learn about the public area cleaning of the hotel. So on your screen you can see that first is periodic cleaning in hotel. So we know that some of the area required regular cleaning like twice in a day, but some of the area which required periodic cleaning like daily or weekly or monthly or yearly depend on types of area. So this type of cleaning is known as periodic cleaning in hotel. Next is spring cleaning. So this type of cleaning is practiced in the hotel located in cold as well as warm regions. So the hotel which is in cold and warm regions, there we can do the spring cleaning. So this cleaning is performed the first few warm days of spring when there is adequate sunlight to reach the corners and the floors of the room. Spring cleaning is generally performed once a year by moving furniture and cleaning the guest room entirely for dust, stains, broken furniture and garbage. It is also called deep cleaning as it's ensuring that no portion of the area is left uncleaned. In public area, first is keeping front office, lobby and corridors. So we know that this is the first area which is faced by the guest and it's frequently used by the guest. So front office and lobby are highly frequented. It must be cleaned at all hours of the day. Housekeeping staff needs to clean desks, fans, ceiling, chair and computers. The staff also cleans the disinfects the telephone devices, keyboard, flooring, corridor and glass doors at the entrance of the lobby. Keeping the dining area, again dining area is also frequently visited area, so this area also must be cleaned. In this area we try to make good efforts for writing, chandeliers and cleaning the ceiling, furniture and decor items. It also includes spreading the clean dining linen on the dining tables and the keeping the floor clean. It's generally done when area is not busy. Cleaning the lifts. Housekeeping staff clean lifts preferably early morning to avoid the rush for use. When cleaning the lift, it should be stopped at ground floor. Doors are kept open and then cleaned starting from top and working towards bottom. Cleaning the swimming pools. Again, swimming pools is highly required during summer. It can be conducted by the hotel if it has an in-house expertise, or it can be contracted with an agency. Cleaning the hotel garden. Again, either there is a private team for the gardeners, watering and trimming of the trees and shrubs, fertilizing the plant, raking the fall leaves. These are the main works which should be performed in the hotel garden. Cleaning the parking area. It mostly involves the hard sweeping and the parking space, removing the cobwebs under the parking sheds and putting an appropriate guiding signs. So these were the public area which housekeeping staff need to consider for the cleaning. So go through it and ask me if you have any questions. Thank you.